Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to change the date and time settings on the Samsung Galaxy A56. I will also explain what each option in the menu means so you know exactly what you are changing and why. So let's get started. First open the settings, scroll down to general management, here it is, and now tap on date and time. This is the menu where you control all date and time settings. First option is automatic date and time. When this is turned on, your phone gets the correct date and time automatically from the mobile network or the internet. This is recommended setting for most users because it keeps time accurate. If you want to set the date or time manually, you must turn this option off. Next, we have automatic time zone. When this option is turned on, your phone automatically sets the time zone based on your mobile network. The network provides the time zone information and your phone adjusts it automatically. This works well in most situations and it's useful when traveling between countries. If you turn this option off, you can manually select the time zone yourself. Below that you see set time zone based on location. When this option is turned on, your phone uses GPS and location to determine your exact time zone. This can be more accurate than the network-based time zone, especially near borders between time zones. If you turn this off, the phone will rely on your network or manual settings. Use a 24-hour format. You can choose between 12-hour format, this means AM and PM, or 24-hour format. Choose the format you prefer and the change applies instantly. For most users, I recommend keeping automatic date time on, automatic time zone on, and set time zone based on location on. This ensures your phone always shows the correct time without any manual adjustments. And that's how you change and understand the date and time settings on the Samsung Galaxy A56. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions.